Assalamu alaikum, sir.
And now we are discussing today the linear differential equation. Exact concept is done. We shall move on for linear differential equation. We'll take 2 to 3 classes again because I am going in detail.
Yes, sir.
Linear differential equation. First of all, what is the definition and how it works that you see? A differential equation, a differential equation of the form, a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q. So you remember differential equation, linear differential equation and its non-linear form will be maximum same. Once if you know this one, that also you can do it. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. This is in bracket. E is called linear differential equation. After that, how we have to solve the problems? Working rule. If the problems are given, how to solve it? For exact differential equation also I gave the working rule now. Mdx plus ndy form.
Yes.
Checking the condition of
Yes, sir.
exactness. Okay, then writing the solution. Here also we have working rule. Step number 1. Put the differential equation in standard form. That is, this should be converted to this form. The second step is we have to identify p value, p and q. In exact differential equation, we are identifying m and n here. Now, third step, we have to go for integrating factor. Third step, e power integral
Yes, sir.
p dx is the formula. After that, fourth step is the solution. The solution is y into integrating factor is equals to integral of q into integrating factor of dx plus c. Okay, the first step is standard form. P value, q value we have to identify. Integrating factor we have to find out and just put it in this formula. Then after that, sometimes what happened, it's not that much of easy. Sometimes what happened, differential equation should not be, it is in this form, like dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q form. Sometimes what happened here is your differential equation of the second form. Another form we can say,
Yes, sir.
another form. It's a reverse form. What is another form? Sometimes what happened here is this differential equation, after simplifying, we are getting this form, reverse form, that is dx by dy plus p of y. Now we get p of x is equal to q. Sometimes the differential equation of this form. So we have to apply the working rule. And what is the difference? Step number 1 will be same. Step number 2 will be same. Only in working rule, Step number 3 will be changing. That is, when finding the integrating factor, it should not be integral e power pdx, it should be integral e power pdy, because you can see the variable has been changed. Here y is there, here x is there, here x is there, here y is there. That's what integrating factor has been changed. Just 1 second. 1 second. Then solution will also change. The solution is becomes, see how it is changing. The solution is here we are getting y into integrating factor, but here you will get x into integrating factor, okay, is equal to integral q into integrating factor of dy, integrating factor of dy, and then constant. That is the only difference between these two. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
these are the
interchange.
two, yes, two different forms of what do you say? Differential equation.
Okay. Yes. Yes, sir.
Sometimes we are using some formulas also. That formulas also I will write it here. Very famous formulas, and we can reduce so much of time.
Whatever the image we have given, whatever the image it is, the instances of that image from different corners, from different perspectives, from different views. And now, after this, what happens? The recognition of that particular image will be done with a scene. A scene is developed. Yes. When I stand second time in front of the facial.
Okay, see, formulas are
Yes, sir.
integration of t e power t dt, a very famous formula, that is equal to, here we have to actually apply integration by parts, but what we don't want to waste our time, simply we should write the formula t minus 1 into e power t plus c. Please remember, this formula will help you to understand maximum concepts.
Okay, sir.
One more thing, sine inverse of x integration. This is x sine inverse of x sine inverse of x
Dimension, sir. That is my question.
plus under root of 1 minus x square plus c. This is another formula we are using. Remaining you can see when doing the problems. Okay, let's we'll go for the next
Okay.
page. Okay, next page.
Calculate. Yes. Okay, fine.
Let's move on to the problems.
Yes, image. I mean, object interaction.
You want to ask anything from the working group?
No, sir. Yeah.
See how the problems will be. We should start from the easy problem. Okay, so the question number 1 is, we'll take 2 to 3 classes to cover this linear differential equation.
Okay, sir.
We are just one are the form of images. But when we come to a video, the situation is becoming some complex.
This is
So
the
in
first
order
problem.
to
Solve.
understand form of a video,
Solve
just go on
problem number 1 here.
object
dy by dx
the movement of the object will be tracked according to the time.
plus 2xy
So the images will be found in the form of video frame in a given video.
is equals to e to the power of minus x square. This is the first problem we have to discuss. E to the power of minus x square. So now look at the differential equation should be in standard form. That is our priority, the first step. We have to check solution.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to compare this differential equation with the standard form because it is a problem, the first problem. That's why I'm not making you in trouble. Simple questions I'm taking. Py is equal to q form directly. Understand? We need not to worry about this one. What is the value of p? Can you tell me that? It is 2x.
2x, yes, sir.
Yes. What is the value of q? E power
E to the power of minus x
minus x
square.
square. So
Yes.
step number 1, the standard form is done. Step number 2, identify
Yes, sir.
p and q is done. Step number 3, we can move on. That is integrating factor e power integral p dx.
E of
E power integral p value. Can I write like this? 2 is a constant outside x dx.
yes, sir.
Yes, e power 2 as it is. X integration will be x square by 2. This 2 and this 2 must be cancelled. This is e power x square. You may have a question that why we are not adding c. Be careful. We can add the constant of the integration at the end of the problem always.
Okay,
Because
sir.
the problem is not completed here. The solution is, what's the formula I said? Come on, remember? Y into integrating factor
P is the
is
in
equal to
P
integral q into integrating factor of dx
integrating factor.
plus c. Right, correct?
We won't, yes, sir. We won't use this P, sir, over here.
Yeah, c last in the last step when I'm adding, then we'll add c. Y value is y only. Integrating factor we got it as e power x square is equal to integral q value. Q value is e power minus x square.
Equal
And
x
integrating
square.
factor also we are getting e power x square into dx. You can see here both of them bases are equal, power should be added. E power x square is equals to bases are equal, power should be added. Minus x square plus x square e power 0 into dx. E power x square. E power 0 is 1. So integration 1 dx is x. Then plus c. That's it. We have reduced one step here. If you want, that step is y into e power x square is equals to integration of e power 0 is 1 dx. Then 1 dx will be x plus c is the answer of this problem.
Sir, okay, sir, your voice is breaking a bit.
Yeah, some internet issue and in Google Meet one more class is going on. That is, I am the participant of that class. I am not host. That's what that class is also compulsory for me. Sometimes we have to manage. But वो internet का issue है. So that's not me.
Okay, sir.
Personally, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कुछ उसको और वॉइस को करें. Look at one more question we'll be doing here.
Okay, okay.
That is sometimes what happened here. You have to find out the constant C also, this constant. For that we have one question here. Question C here. This is the second question of this problem, this topic. Find the equation of the curve. Find the equation of the curve. Equation of curve. Satisfying. The differential equation. One plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to 4x square. And passing through, which passes through? Which passing through origin, that is 0, 0. So why this point is given, I will explain that also. Look at the solution of this problem. First of all, whatever the differential equation is there, you have to solve it. 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to 4x square. Now to convert into the standard form, this is our standard form, you can see here. This is our standard form. But now the differential equation is not in its standard form. For that, what we have to do, we have to divide 1 plus x square on both sides. We don't want this term. So this is dy by dx. I am dividing this equation number 1 throughout with 1 plus x square. So we get dy by dx plus.
Why, sir?
Why? Because the standard form is this one. Dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q. I want to convert the differential equation into the standard form. So we don't want this 1 plus x square term, because differential equation standard form will be starting with the dy by dx. Okay, यहाँ पर कोई भी term का उसका coefficient नहीं रहना चाहिए. That's what we are dividing. So let us divide. We'll get 2x by 1 plus x square into y. I'm writing in a different way here. That is equal to 4x square divided by 1 plus x square. We are dividing 1 plus x square on both sides. You can mention also if you want to mention. Now this one we have to compare with the standard form right now. That is dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q. So you can see easily the value of p is this one. 2x by 1 plus x square is our p value, and q value is
Yes,
the
sir.
whole. If you want, we should
4x
write it
square.
here. P is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, and then q value is
2x by
4x square by 1
1
plus x square. After that, immediately what we do, we shall find out integrating factor. That is equals to e power integral p dx. That is equal to e power integral p value is 2x by 1 plus x square. 2x by 1 plus x square dx. After that, you have remembered this formula. Let me write it here. In formula list only, I will write it. This is our formula list. The formula will be
u by
f of x, f dash of x. F of x dash divided by f of x. If the differentiation of denominator is the numerator, we shall write it this one as log of denominator. Log mod f of x. Differentiation of denominator numerator hona. So then we should write it as log of f of x. Yeah, one more formula I remember.
any different
Yeah, कोई भी एक
differentiation of
function.
if there's differentiation
x स्क्वायर डिनोमिनेटर को डिफरेंशिएट करता हूँ, न्यूमरेटर आंसर आना. ठीक है.
okay
Well, ये फार्मूला इंटरमीडिएट का है, और एक फार्मूला है यहाँ पर f of x होल टू द पावर ऑफ n. इसको नोट कर लो आप. क्लासेस जब भी रेगुलर रहेंगे ना, तो ये फार्मूलास के बगैर इसका आपके क्लास में हो सकती है. ये कभी भी यूज होता है, मेरे को जो भी याद आ रहा था मैं लिख दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पर. F of x whole to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c.
Sir, this
Yeah,
formula f dash x by f of x,
yeah.
we have to differentiate numerator with respect to
No,
denominator.
no, 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 no. डिनोमिनेटर को डिफरेंशिएट करें तो न्यूमरेटर आंसर आ जाना उसमें. ये देखिए एग्जांपल
Okay, okay.
यहाँ पर देखो. What is the differentiation of 1 by 1 plus x square? Can you tell me that?
1 by 1 plus x square.
1 plus x square का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता?
1 का 2x.
0 होता. 2x हो रहा ना, देखो. Differentiation of
हाँ
denominator is
हाँ हाँ.
getting numerator, no? So we should write
Yes,
this one
yes.
as e power log of denominator is 1 plus x square. And I have already shown so many
Okay,
times
okay.
that e and log becomes 1. So your answer is 1 plus x square.
Yes.
Now simply we write the solution and finish this problem. The solution is y into integrating factor is equals to integral q into
Q
integrating
into
factor of
integrating
dx
plus C.
plus c. So y is y only. Integrating factor we got it as 1 plus x square here. This is integral of q value is 4 take outside x square by 1 plus x square into integrating factor is 1 plus x square into dx. This 1 plus x
Sir, we can
square.
cancel this 1 and 1 plus.
Yeah, I'm cancelling. This the next step is y
Okay.
into 1 plus x square is equals to 4 as it is. X square integration is x cube by 3 plus some constant.
Yes, sir.
Usually this problem is completed like this problem. But actually what happened here is there is some constant here. That point we have to substitute. Suppose this is second equation. Passing through the point 0, 0. So we put this in place of x and y. If you put here 0, the entire value will be 0. And
Yes,
if you put here again the entire value will be 0, you get your answer c value will
yes.
be equal to 0. Are you getting or
Oh,
not?
yes, sir.
If c value 0,
Yes,
what
yes,
is
sir.
the equation number 2 becomes? Y into 1 plus x square is equal to 4x cubed by 3 is the answer. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Because when the point is given, we have to eliminate that constant also. You're getting the idea?
Mm. Sir, if suppose we got constant, if we got constant a number like 3 or something, we'll
No
add that
problem.
to 4x
Plus
cubed by
plus
3.
whatever it is, you have to write it. Okay?
Only right and leave. We should just
Oh, yeah,
write it
that's it.
and
That's
leave
it.
it.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, sir.
So there are so many questions here, but still, do you have an idea about the partial fractions? Partial fraction का idea
Which
है
what,
आपको?
sir?
Partial fraction.
नहीं, sir. Yes, partial fraction I know,
Next problem will be
but
here
not
help.
well, sir.
So
I know it, but
well,
not nicely.
everybody will be like that only, not nicely for all. Okay, let us see the question. Solve. X into x minus 1 into dy by dx. X into x minus 1 into dy by dx minus y is equal to x square into x minus 1 whole square. Right? This is your problem. We have to convert into the standard form and we have to simplify. Okay, now look at one by one. Step number 1, whatever it is there, we have to write x into x minus 1 into dy by dx minus y is equal to x square into x minus 1 whole square. Now, like a previous question, I don't want x into x minus 1. So we divide this equation throughout by x into x minus. So this becomes dy by dx minus 1 by x into x minus 1 into y is equal to x square into x minus 1 whole square divided by x into x minus 1. Okay. One square term, one this, one square term, this one. Cancel it. X into x minus 1 into y is equal to here x into x minus 1. This one again we have to compare with the standard form. That standard form is dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx plus p of y is equal to q.
Yes.
Now p value is equal to minus 1
Minus
by
1 by
x into x minus 1. X
Yes,
into
sir.
x minus 1. Your
X
value
minus
of q is equal to x into x minus 1 only.
x into x minus 1.
Okay, so now integrating factor, we shall move on for finding the integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx. This is equal to e power integral p value is minus outside 1 by x into x minus 1 into dx. Why I'm asking you to for what partial fraction? See, this problem from here we have to convert into the partial fraction. This is your rough work. X into x minus 1. Partial fraction is how many factors are there? There are two factors. Define two variables. A by first variable plus b by second variable, that is x minus 1. This is, you remember, intermediate, you are MPC student now.
Yes, sir.
This partial fraction is there in the second year. X into x minus 1 is the denominator. Here a
Yes.
into x minus 1 plus b into x. पता है ना आपको ये करने का सॉल्व?
Yes, sir.
ये डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल हो
Yes.
जाता.
Yes, sir.
1 is equal to a into x minus 1 plus bx. Now what we will do
Yes,
it
sir.
here is we should put x is equal to 0 here first. I want to get the value of a and b. X is 0 means you get a value. That is minus 1. Is it correct? Check it.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes. Again, in the second case, we have to put x value as 1. So then we will get b value is 1. Getting? So 1 by
Yes, sir.
x into x minus 1 can also be written as our a value is minus 1 by x. Our b value is 1 by x minus 1. Simply this value we have to use it here. E power minus integral of, this is simplified form, the answer is minus 1 over x plus 1 by x minus 1 into dx. So this minus into minus will give you plus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो मैं मार्जिन कर देता हूँ, अदरवाइज आप कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. दिस इज योर एक्चुअली रफ वर्क में तो करे तो आपका मर्जी, प्रॉब्लम में भी इंक्लूड करके कर सकते ई पावर लगा के, बट आपका मर्जी, चॉइस इज योर्स. चलिए कंटिन्यू. देख, so this is equal to continuing integration of minus into minus plus integration of 1 by x, apply dx individually, okay, and this is becomes minus 1 by x minus 1 and apply individually dx means integration. This is e power 1 by x integration is log x minus again 1 by x form is log x only. Here x value is x minus 1, which is equal to it is log of log a minus log b can be written as log a by b, x by x minus 1. And now e and log together becomes 1 means we get our answer is x by x minus 1 is our integrating factor. Correct? Simply write down the solution. The solution is y into integrating factor is equals to integral q into integrating factor of dx plus c. y वैल्यू तो वही है, इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इज x by x minus 1. क्या फिर पानी डालना है क्या? x into x minus 1 is equal to integral q value is, where is q value? Yeah, x into x minus 1 here. Integrating factor is what we got. Integrating factor what we got. बोलिए कम ऑन, x by x minus 1 है ना, वहां पर ही लिखे हो, यह है ना? हेलो हेलो, क्या हुआ? x minus 1 getting cancelled, x into y xy by x minus 1
Yes, sir.
is equals to integration of x into x is again what? X square dx. So this is xy by x minus 1 is equal to x square integration is x cube by 3. Correct now? X cube by 3
Yes, sir.
plus c is your final answer of this problem. Okay? 7 o'clock is, we'll fix your time now. Daily 7 o'clock fix करेंगे आपका time.
Yes, sir. Okay.
हाँ, आप जरा स्टार्टिंग से पूरे प्रॉब्लम अच्छे से देख लेके, कहीं डाउट है तो बताइए. वर्किंग रूल से देखिए पूरा अच्छे से.
Thank you, sir.
आप नेक्स्ट पेज बोलते मैं टर्न करते जाओ.
Okay, sir.
अच्छे से देख लीजिए. ये इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग भी आपको मिल जाएंगे, यूट्यूब पे अवेलेबल कर दे तो मैं भी हाफ एन आवर के बाद. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बहुत डिटेल में कराने वाला हूँ आपको. ये क्लास हो गई. नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसी को कंटिन्यू करेंगे और इसकी थर्ड क्लास में रिवर्स फॉर्म में जाएंगे, लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन रिवर्स फॉर्म. ओके, ये पूरा अच्छे से आप कर
Okay,
लेंगे
sir.
तो आपको बर्नौली करने के लिए बहुत इजी हो जाए.
Okay, sir.
एक बार फिर से आपको सिलेबस भेजा दीजिए, मैं प्रिंट आउट भी निकाल के रख लेता ये क्लास के बाद.
Okay, sir. ठीक है.
Is this page is okay? Shall we go for the next page?
Yes, sir. Next page. Yes, sir.
So no need to write anything. Everything will be given as a PDF format, but you have to maintain the
Yes,
notes
sir.
while explaining. You should not write anything. After finishing the class, you have to maintain the notes. These notes will
Yes,
help
sir.
you to write your exams.
Yes, sir.
This one I am sending as a PDF. This is the question number 1 here. Question number 1 एक normal question करा. Question number 2
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा complicated करा, passing through the origin बोल के. Question number 3 में थोड़ा और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड करके राइट साइड को भी पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन से कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं वो भी बताएं.
Yes, sir. Next page.
और आपके पास भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस अगर है
Yes,
टॉपिक
sir.
से रिलेटेड, सपोज लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है, एग्जैक्ट है, आपको क्वेश्चन आपको कहीं पे मिला, आपको लग रहा है कि इसको करना चाहिए, सर तो नहीं करा है, सेंड इट टू मी, विल
Okay.
सी, ऐसा करेंगे। क्योंकि
Okay,
नाम
sir.
सिर्फ सिलेबस
Okay,
आपका
sir.
रहता बस लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। अब वो प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, वो प्रॉब्लम, दिस इज अवर फैकल्टी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू कलेक्ट द प्रॉब्लम एंड सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम। यू डोंट नो दैट, स्टूडेंट डोंट नो दैट। हर प्रोफेशनल स्टडीज ओनली नेम
Yes,
ऑफ
sir.
द टॉपिक एंड सिलेबस विल बी गिवन, क्वेश्चंस ये करो, एक्सरसाइज वो करो, ते करो ते करो,
Yes,
ऐसा
sir.
स्कूल के जैसा लेवल नहीं रहता। Faculty should know how many problems we have to do it.
Yes, sir.
Today we have done 3 problems. All the three are different varieties. Okay. This, don't
Yes,
think
sir.
that it is a rough work. This will also a part of the problem only, partial fraction. You can simply write here like that, partial fraction. You can show to the examiner that you are doing this is partial fraction.
Okay, sir.
That examiner can understand that yes, you did this one with the help of the partial fraction. That is why you are getting this answer. You are not copied from any other student. Here we have a shortcut, MSET shortcut to get the answer, but it is not accepted in your exams. They won't allow to
Okay.
write the answer in shortcut form.
Okay, sir.
You have to go description. It is not an objective paper. Description means how much detail you can write, that many marks you will get it. What is the paper? Your 60 marks paper or 70 marks?
60.
60 marks means this question you will get for 6 marks. If your question paper is for 70 marks, then this question is for 7 marks. For OU student, this is for 7 marks. For autonomous student, this is for 6 marks.
Okay.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir. Clear. I don't have any doubt, sir.
Don't have any doubt. Very good. Okay, so we'll end up the session. Tomorrow
Okay,
onwards,
sir.
even for me also, the college is working now. So we fix our timing, that is 7 p.m.
Yes.
If any changes
Okay,
because
sir.
of any emergency, you can text me, I can text you. Right?
Okay, sir.
So before
Yes,
that,
sir.
I don't want to disturb you. If I am not giving any message, means confirm default your class will be from 7 p.m. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. This is Thursday,
Okay.
Friday. We have Saturday, Sunday classes may not be possible for me because only some of the tuitions which I am taking specifically for out of India, UK, US students, that is only for Saturday
Yes.
and Sunday I am giving the time. Remaining
Okay.
for Indians. Okay. Thank you. We will end up the session.
Yes, sir. It's okay. No problem. Okay.